Hello guys, my name is Wahid and today I'm going to start another live. First, let me pin today's live title. Today I wanna speak about the interrupts organization blocks in TIA Portal. Before that, if my friends do you have any questions, ideas, it's my pleasure to have a conversations. Please feel free and use the chat sections and send me your ideas, your opinions about our live videos, or you have any questions. Okay, my friends, do you have my voice? Please give me a reaction. Okay. My friends, today I'm going to explain about interrupts organization blocks in TIA Portal. Every time that you have any questions, please use the chat sections. First, let me share a video with you. Okay, my friends, I share a video with you. This video I already prepared to explain interrupts organization blocks in TIA Portal. This type of organization blocks can be used for handling some special events. Let me go ahead. Okay. One of the important common organization blocks in TIA Portal for Siemens PLCs is OB80, organization block number 80. This organization block has a relationship with PLC's scan cycle time. So first, let's check my PLC. It's my PLC and see its maximum valid scan cycle time. If we're going to its property sections under the cycle section, here you can see cycle monitoring time. And now it's equal to 150. So by default, this value is the maximum valid scan cycle time for my PLC. It's the program executions times exceeds this time. My PLC detected as an error. I can change it for my PLC. It can be a number between 1 to 6,000 milliseconds. So for now, let's check my program to test to increase my cycle time. I've prepared a function block, FBA11. It includes a simple program. It's written in SCL language. Here you can see a for loop, and its iterations depends on this tag, number of iterations. I use that as my function blocks input. Every time I increase this number, the iterations of this for loop will be increased, and so its executions times will be increased, and in consequence, my PLC's scan cycle time will be increased too. So I'm going to download and test my program. My friends, every time you have any questions, any ideas, or if you like this live, please give me a reaction. It will energize me. Okay, I've downloaded my program. Let's enable this memory M0.0 to enable my function block. Okay, now number of iterations is 0. It's not creating a problem. Let me change it to a small number like 90. As you see, my program is working properly without any problem. But let me change it to a larger number. When I use a larger number, the for loop operations inside my function blocks take lots of time, and my PLC's scan cycle time will be increased too. Okay, let's change it. Okay, as you saw, an error has detected and my PLC has stopped. Why? Where we can find the reasons that our PLC is going to stop. Why, when your PLC has stopped, we need a guide, we need a solution to find the reasons. So at this time, we can use diagnostics buffer on all PLCs. I only need to be online and double-click on online and diagnostics. Then select diagnostics status. Excuse me, diagnostics buffer. Here you see several messages which were saved in my PLC's diagnostics buffer. But in this video, I'm focused on these two messages. The first message says the maximum cycle time error has occurred. And this is the reason that my CPU changed to a stop mode. And also the next message says when the time error has appeared, my PLC needed to run OB80. On the right side, you can see that the maximum scan cycle time of my PLC has reached 166. If you remember, the maximum valid scan cycle time for my PLC is 150 milliseconds. And this number, this time, is greater than the maximum valid scan cycle time for my PLC. So this is the reason that my PLC has stopped. But how we can solve this problem? Do you have any idea, my friends, how we can solve a scan cycle time problem? My friends, do you have any idea? Have you ever this problem in your projects, in your simulations? Okay. Let me give you three solutions. One of them is I call it the first way. The first way is modifying our program to have a small scan cycle time. Modify the program inside function blocks with another code that produce a smaller scan cycle time. Another way is going to our PLC settings and increase the maximum valid scan cycle time. For my PLC, it is 150 milliseconds. I can change it to a number such as 200 milliseconds. And the third way is using OB80. It's an organization block related to my PLC scan cycle time. In your opinion, my friends, which way do you think is the best? The first way, modifying program. The second way, increase the maximum valid scan cycle time. And the third way, using organization blocks number 80. Do you have any idea which is the best? One, two, three. Please send me a reaction if you like. Okay. Anyway, let's continue this slide. In my opinion, the first way is the best. The first way was modifying our program and to have a fast program, a small program that do not make a large scan cycle time. But in this slide, I'm going to explain about interrupts organization blocks. So let me add OB80. Okay, as you see here, this message says my PLC needed OB80. Okay. Okay, just I need to click on add new block, select organization blocks. Here you can see several types of organization blocks. Now I need this one, time error interrupts. Its number is OB80, and here you can see a short description about this organization block. Let's continue and add this organization block to our project. Every time my PLC's scan cycle times exceeds its maximum valid value, this organization blocks will be run automatically. And inside the OB80, I can write a program for handling this error. For example, I can activate an alarm horn or turn off some outputs, or any actions you need. You can write your program in this block to handle this error. But I wanted to use it without any code. I just want to use these organization blocks beside my OB1 without any code. So let's continue the video and download compile and download the new program, which includes OB80 to my PLC. My friends, give me any reaction you like. If you have any idea, send me using the chat sections. All right, my program has been downloaded. As you see, it is working properly. And for example, let's use number 999. My PLC is working without any problem. Let's change it to a larger number. All right, as you see at this time, an error has detected, but my PLC has not stopped and it is working. If I click on the online and diagnostics, you can see the reasons. As you see, at least one time, my PLC scan cycle time has reached 198, and now it is equal to 166. And as you see, the current scan cycle time is changed. This time is greater than my PLC's maximum, the maximum scan cycle time for my PLC. So this error indicator has been activated. But my PLC has not stopped because I've used organization blocks number 80 inside my project. And now let's modify my iterations number for my loop, for my for loop. Use a smaller number. As you see, this error indicator has been removed and my PLC is working. And now its current scan cycle time is 2 milliseconds, 1 millisecond, and it is naturally less than the maximum valid scan cycle time for my PLC. All right, I tested an organization blocks OB80, which is related to scan cycle time. Similarly, you can use other interrupts organization blocks. For example, here I have an organization block for my hardware interrupt, diagnostics error, and a common maybe organization block which you may need in your projects is this one. Organization blocks number 83. When we use this organization block, suppose you configure your PLC, you have a PLC with some extension modules, some input-output modules beside your CPU. And if you don't want your PLC to be stopped after removing or inserting a module, you need to use these organization blocks. If you don't use that, when you remove an extended module, for example, a digital input module from your rack, your PLC has stopped. Or you can use this organization block, OB86. This one is related to rack errors. All right, my friends, do you have any questions? Do you have any ideas? Or did you like this topic, my friends? All right, let me stop sharing my video. In this video, I explain how interrupts organization blocks work in TIA portal and tested one of them, organization block number 80, which is related to the maximum scan cycle time of our PLCs. I think all Siemens PLCs support these organization blocks, support OB80. Okay, let me stop sharing my video. I'm glad that to say you that I'm trying to repeat this live every week, and in each live I will try to explain a topic, tips for PLC programming. Usually I prefer using TIA portal, but the main reason for starting this weekly live is you. We held this live for you, and if you have any questions about our course in PLC Goods on our Udemy site, you can ask here. I will try to answer your questions, especially about your questions about our courses. And as you may know, we have created some course for TIA portal, Allen Bradley PLCs, Delta PLCs, Code Sys, and Semantic Manager. You can use them to learn basic knowledge and also some advanced topics for PLC programming and HMI designing. My friends, okay, it's my pleasure. One of my friends sent me a question. What about for PID? In TIA portal, we have PID, and we prepared good videos about PID with TIA portal. If you're going to, let me show you my friends, Tonent, Lorenzo. You can find it easily. Let me explain you. First, go to our channel, PLC Goods, and then select playlist. There you find our TIA portal course. Okay. After that, I think near the last videos, we explained some controllers. Simple on-off controllers, on-off controller with hysteresis, and also P and PI controllers. And also test them and show you their performance with a water tank using factory I/O. So you can really see the performance of each controller. On-off, simple on-off with SSDs, P controller, PI controller, and also we explained it PID. You can use our courses about TIA portal. Also, I remember I explained PID controller inside our Delta courses. Okay, my friends, Tonen, Lorenzo, thanks for your questions. You can find how PID controllers can be used in TIA portal. And now let me tell you an important point. If you are using a physical PLC, if a real PLC, you can use S7-1200 and also S7-1500 PLC to test your PID controllers. But if you are using PLC sim simulations with TIA Portal version 16, you won't able to test PID controller with a S7-1200 PLC, which you want to test it with PLC sim simulations. It works with physical PLC. It doesn't have any problem. But if you wanted to test the performance of PID controllers with a PLC, with a S7-1200 PLC and with a PLC sim simulations, it won't work. And in TIA Portal version 16, it won't work. You need to use, if you're using PLC sim simulations, please use a PLC from S7-1500 series of Siemens. Okay, my friends, Gairo Kumar, hi. Let me ask, hi, my friends. Thanks from my friends for participating in this live, and thanks for Tonen Loenko and also Mr. Guy Rao Kumar. Do you have any idea about this live? I will repeat it, this live every week. And if you have any questions, my friends, especially two of my friends with these IDs, Tonen Loenko, which asked me questions about PID, and also my friends Guy Rao Kumar, and other my friends that participate in this live. I hope this weekly live help me, and also I can help you to improve our PLC programming skills, HMI designing, or SCADA. Another, my friends, Clouds94. Thanks for your comments. My friends, feel free to have any questions, any ideas, to have chat sections. Okay, my friends, thanks for participating in this live. I will repeat it in the next week with another topics. Okay, before finishing this live, my friends Tonent Loenko asked me some demonstrations about PID. Okay, all right, here I have two questions. First, let's explain about my friends that Tonen. It has questions about PID. Give me a few moments, please, to find a video about all PLCs. Let me share, excuse me. Let me share my video with you, my screen with you. I'm going to show Mr. Tonin where you can find PID controllers from our course. Okay, search PLC goods, my friends. Here our website, and then go to PLC goods. Then select playlists. Here you can find 2 courses about TIA Portal. Let me show you. Siemens and one of them is this one, TIA Portal course updated, and TIA Portal course. Let me use, for example, this one.
Switch to digital and enjoy unlimited $0 transfer fees. Send your first online transfer.
Okay, here you can see our videos which were sorted. Math functions, move, Siemens TIA Portal, shift registered. Here, also my friends which had questions about display level of a tank. You can also, I think you can also find your questions here. Okay. First, let me open this video.
Project about tank, which has 2 electrical valves and a level
Okay,
sensor.
as you see in this video, we used a factory.
Also, we'll use a virtual PLC to simulate.
And as you
With the
saw,
fill button, we can turn on the filling valve.
Okay, as you see here, we use an HMI to display the level of a tank. Okay, and let me continue. My friends which has questions about the PID controllers.
Which can be used in industrial processes.
First, in this video and
we'll have a short introduction to manual and automatic control.
We explain.
Then, we'll see what is on-off controller and its problem, so we will need to use on-off controller with dead band.
And then on-off controllers with dead band.
These controllers need digital devices, which devices are used.
And also
we can have PID controllers.
We specifically use these 3 videos to learn on-off controllers with dead band, and also PID, and also see their performances with factory I/O. Okay, my friends, Torrent, I show you where you can find our videos about PID controllers. First, watch these 3 videos. And if you have any questions, send me or participate in the next live to have a conversation about the PID controllers. Maybe in the next week, I explain this type of controllers, if you want. And let's come back to my friend's questions, Mr. Kumar. During these videos, we use how you can display the level of a water tank on the HMI. But you sent me dynamically. Do you have any specific means? Do you have any special means? Because we used TIA Portal and HMI to display level of a tank, and when the level of water going low on high, my HMI display its level. And I don't think so. If you see our videos, then you have any questions about your problems. But if you have, my friends, Mr. Kumar, if you have any specific means, especially about this word dynamically, do you have any specific means, any special topic that I don't understand it? Because displaying the level of water tank is very easy, and we explain and show this uh, topic in our videos. You sent me, I want to display the tank level from 0 to 100. Okay, yes, I just want to use simple. My friend, and display it on the HMI. The tank will be behind of this dynamically controlled rectangle. My friends, okay, I know it could be possible with, but my friends, I also use a rectangle in my project, okay? No, I use I use the object in HMI scheme. I know it could be possible with, but don't know exactly how to do it. And this HMI, the tank will be, again, I don't understand. What do you mean? Because every time you can display the water level of your tank without VBA skips, why do you need to do that? What parameter you be dynamically? Thanks, Mr. Kumar. I still don't understand what's your problem exactly for displaying the level of water in a tank. Simple rectangle from the object and display it. Okay. Okay, that's a good idea. Please see our videos, and let me show you. My friends, when you open your portal course from this video, we started my designing. Maybe it's better to see HMI designing or HMI designing videos from this video. Also, as you saw here, for example, in this video, we experiment some objects, and after some videos, we use it a water tank in our HMI. And also for my friends that have questions about PID, we use it to display the performances of three types of controllers, which one of them is PID controller. It's a good idea. Please see our videos. If you have any questions, comment it below the video or any questions. Okay, my friends, I reached the end of this video. Thanks so much for participating in this live. Especially thanks from two of my friends, Mr. Kumar and my friends Tonent, and also my friends Cloud9. Thanks for participating in this video, and also other friends, and especially for these three of my friends to participate in this live with, by sending their opinions, their questions. I'll see you in the next week. Have a good week. Bye. Bye.